During my recent poll that I did, more than 80% of you voted for fruity pastries and desserts. So I've decided to share 3 of my most stunning fruity cakes. Very Berry Muffin, Mango Cashew Travel Cake, and Fruity Floral Castella Jelly Cake. These 3 desserts are inspired by my fondness of fruits. Walking into the market, experiencing the freshest produce, and eating the most succulent fruits whenever you eat any of these baked goods. Come and join my fruity pastries class only here at the Bailiwick Academy.